So Wednesday here with Dad. Dad's all alone and been busy all day. What have you been up to?
This is all polished now, eh?
Okay.
I still gotta go right up to here with taking the paint off.
Yeah.
Because my helper can't get that high. Eh?
Okay.
So anyway, kitty hair in behind here.
Yeah.
Yesterday. Then I ground it off and I took the rust off from behind and all the paint off.
Yeah.
And this is all fastened in now
Okay.
with a backup metal and wood
Yeah.
to fasten your side.
See that? Yeah.
And then, well, my partner was here for 2 hours.
Okay.
He got stressed. He cleaned those 3 tires.
Okay.
So I made this steering work
So
by a bunch of grinding. Eh? It
Okay.
was too tight.
you took everything apart and put it back together.
I took it all apart, emery clocked it, and I'm going to put a washer under each side so it slides easier yet.
Okay.
And then we can put the power steering in.
So I noticed you already got the grease nipples
Oh, yeah.
installed.
I welded nuts around it,
Yeah.
and then put grease nipples in so when they open the door they can grease
Yeah.
just slide. You see how I polished everything?
Yeah. So
Well, it's 4:15 and I just finished. It's good enough for today.
oh, okay. So Dad likes putting in grease nipples everywhere because, well, the machine likes grease, and it's easier to do it like this than doing it afterwards.
When
and-
I cover it after, they can open the door and they can still see the
Yeah.
grease nipples.
Dad likes to paint everything red so you can see it as well. So
Just
when
in
you're
case
ducking your head
somebody-
in,
Just in case somebody wants the grease
Yeah.
in the future.
just in case. Yeah. So lot less dusty in the shop here today because there's a lot less grinding going on. Still, I had to go to town and get a new filter for the air exchanger. You can see behind there, it's blacker than hell, but Dad's got a new one there he's going to put in tomorrow, hopefully, because can't keep coming in here. The dogs are getting gassed out, and so are the visitors. But I got a customer showing up tomorrow for a motor, and still got lots of snow here that we're clearing.
The differential is all ready for the other customer.
Yeah, so another customer wants a differential, and this is the one.
The fill plug red,
Yeah.
and this is his breather tube. That's
Okay.
welded in, so he'll put a hose up.
So one customer
But
called
he-
us for a,
He needs 2 of these.
yeah, and we don't have those in stock, so he's gonna have to source that down wherever he's at. But
This diff is perfect.
yeah,
It's got,
yeah,
it calls for 5 to 7 thou backlash. That was just as good as new.
yeah, there you go. So one tired dog on the couch, one old dog on the floor here.
2 tired
Oh,
ones.
2 tired dogs. Yeah, the other one's in there. And then Filipino Emily's outside, cat's in the shop. And if you can see, we got water on the ground. It was just mopping up, but we got a little bit of a leak. And still got lots to go here, guys. But there's your daily update. Our body man just called in sick here for this evening. So that is it for the update today.